Welcome back to Gavin Food Reviews. Today we have a multi-part food review. We will be reviewing 2 candies, 2 sodas, and 2 energy drinks, in that order. I have with me Brown Gavin, our diversity hire, and Ginger Gavin, our other diversity hire. Of course, myself,
White Gavin.
White Gavin. So today we'll be starting with
The cherry. Yeah.
Sweetarts soft and chewy ropes. Cherry
punch.
Cherry punch.
We have a lot of cherry going on. We got cherry Pepsi,
Got
cherry
cherry-
Coke, cherry ropes. There's more.
We
Cherry
got everything.
cherry themed.
Alright, so colors from real sources, flavor with other natural flavors. It's a share pack, so you know this one would eat it by himself.
It's very good. Pretty.
That is not an appetizing look.
They smell pretty good.
They smell good. That's not appetizing though.
It's not quite a rope. What would you call this?
Like like a plastic tab.
Wow.
Yes.
It's kind of hard to explain.
All right.
Oh, does it have powder in the middle? Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like a gooey powder, though.
It has a fizz powder in the middle. I mean, it's interesting.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts, Ginger Gavin? Big Gavin.
I like the little fizz. No,
Mhm.
because at first I was expecting just normal, chewy sugar,
Mm-hmm.
but then it's got a little pop. That helps. And that's my take.
How about you, Black Gavin?
It's like a gel Gavin.
As the Spanish would say, Gavin Negro.
It's like a... Outside's really nice and chewy, but then like there's this inside kind of like a powdered gel at the same time. So like when you bite into it, it's like a gel type. But then when as you eat it, it just turns into powder. How about you, White Gavin?
Honestly, it's a bit hard to chew, but I like that. You have to work for the fizz. And it's definitely worth it. That white powder inside.
Whatever it is.
Okay, now moving on.
I would give it
For our LGB...
a 4 out of 10. It's not gay month yet.
Well, for our LGBTQ community, we have rainbow ropes.
Mm-hmm. Rainbow ropes.
We all know Chase
you up
belongs in
at
that
high
community. White Gavin belongs in that community.
Whoa! No. Not yet.
There's a guy,
Whoa.
I think.
Sure.
Retard. You
Oh, why do they smell like that?
Yep. It's like Fruit Loops. Or no, Fruit Rope. Or whatever. Do you remember that? Like
It's-
Gushers or whatever.
No, it smells like
Oh
my exhaust from my car.
Fruit by the foot. That's what I'm thinking of.
Very hard
That's
to
what-
chew. Oh, twice as rubbery as the last one.
Recommended by 0 out of 10 dentists.
Indeed.
But I'm sure gays would love it.
Why? I gotta hear it. I'm sorry. Why?
It's tough, chewy, about average length, nice white excreti.
It's pretty good though.
I mean,
So
must I
there's
say
cream
more?
in the middle?
There, yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit, that is rubbery.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That is so much worse.
It's so tough.
There's like no
Basically,
flavor there.
it tastes like, is it like that, but just
Yeah, wait for it to kick in.
holy cow. Alright, which one would you prefer? The ropes or the rainbow ropes?
I prefer this, because this is just too
Indeed.
chewy.
Normal ropes it is.
I kind of like
Rainbow ropes, 2 thumbs
Really works the jaw.
down.
Start off with a wonderful cherry Coke. We're starting today. We will be judging the see if there's actually an extreme difference between Pepsi and Cola because everyone thinks they're pretty much the same. Just different name.
Oh, what's our number review on those? I give them like a 2 out of 5.
I'm gonna give it like a
2 out of
3.
5.
I'll give it a 3 out of 5.
Out of
It's kinda
5.
mid.
1 out of 5. So tough.
About a shot in each one. But you know, in red solo cups, there's actually like a measurement for a shot. So for any of you partiers out there,
Which we are. Cheers.
smells like burning my
Cheers.
nostrils.
Cheers.
Smells like napalm.
Okay. It's like that could take rust off a car. Okay.
It's pretty strong on the cherry, which is good. It's like a spicy cherry.
I can't really taste the cherry.
I can't taste anything.
It's kind of like a spicy cherry. You know, it still tastes like cola though.
It just has a general cola flavor.
Yeah,
I
but
just keep
it's
getting
it's a lot different from regular cola.
Every time I swallow, I get this horrible thing in my throat.
Probably the fuzz still stuck in there, the cocaine.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, probably.
Did you finish all of yours?
Powdered cum.
Better.
Dude.
So
it is so much.
I'm gonna rate that 6 out of 10. It's pretty good. Could be worse.
I don't know. I'm putting that like 4 out of 10. It's just not pleasant.
Yeah, I'd have to go.
I'd just go regular.
So we'll go
cola.
like 4 by 5.
Yeah, 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
So
Nothing special.
now pour the Pepsi, which is
Should we wash the cups so we don't get contamination?
No. If you drink all of yours, it's not gonna be that much of a difference.
Ooh, I like that fizz. That's a good fizz.
Look at that logo though.
Better logo. Cheers.
It does have a different smell.
Smells. I don't know. Doesn't smell as good.
Not quite
No,
as
the carbonation's-
overpowering as the last.
Yeah, the carbonation.
Yeah, the carbonation here has been weakened, which is good.
Yeah, I like that.
It
But
it's
unfortunately,
worse.
well, yeah, that's the thing. The carbonation is less, but then the flavor still isn't there.
Yeah.
So the
No, I feel
carbonation
like-
was the only thing making that one interesting. So
This
this
one's
one's
just
just
worse.
not interesting. It has a slight like chemical taste to it.
Blandness.
I wonder.
Unnatural
So now that
acidity.
we're done with this, I'm gonna rate this at like a 3 out of 10.
I'm gonna agree with that. Yeah, 3 out of 10. No,
I second.
the old unholy combination.
Yes, definitely 3 out of 10. Unholy triple.
Stir that up a little bit. Here, let's LGBTQ. It's like,
Not the gay rope.
take a
Big
bite.
rope.
Gonna pull out your teeth.
Don't do that. It takes away all the flavor. But
You want to introduce us to these?
Okay,
it
so
doesn't have a smell to it.
for our final taste testing, we
Whoa.
have Uptime energy drinks. We have original citrus
I found
with
it.
other natural flavors,
Taste that.
and we have
I would rate that as
mango pineapple, 0 sugar. This one is 0 sugar.
That's
mango
good.
pineapple, and this one is cane sugar.
They like equal each other out. That's good.
Yep, mental physical energy drink,
That's
natural caffeine.
That's all right. That's maybe 5
Well-
out of 10.
It's better than those.
Let's try it.
We might have had a scientific breakthrough over here. Breaking news.
What?
If you mix them together, they actually taste way better.
Yep.
Like a 6 or 5 out of 10.
You hear that, white supremacists? You need to mix them and make them better.
So
Amen.
I think we're gonna start off with original.
Just look at this one. Prime example. Shut the fuck up. We're gonna start. Go.
What's the original? Should be pretty satisfying.
Okay. Nice hiss. Nice hiss.
Oh god.
Come on, use those weak arms.
My hands are too like
Those
slick.
weak Aryan arms.
Oh,
What's it smell like?
it smells like alcohol. I'm not gonna lie.
That is strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll come back to this one.
Yeah, I can't even open that. I'm weak.
Wow.
I don't know.
It's because of the ginger hair.
I'm light.
He has the plague.
I'm actually kind of scared to drink this one.
I don't like the look of it.
I
Even
don't
a
like-
tin can looks like hairspray.
It
Smells like not something good.
Should we first test if this is flammable? Legit
Alright,
question.
so cheers once again. Clinking of glasses. There we go. Gavin.
well, it doesn't smell good.
I don't want to drink this.
Oh, it is
That-
good. It does. It's not pleasing to the nose.
It doesn't. No, it doesn't taste good, but it doesn't taste horrendously good.
But it
I mean,
smells-
horrendously bad.
Horrendously good.
It doesn't taste good. It tastes bad, but not that bad.
It tastes like
I
Sprite.
think it tastes pretty good for what it's supposed to be.
Tastes like Sprite. It looks like Sprite.
I'm gonna give it like a
Could've
5
been-
out of 10.
Could have been much worse. I've tasted
But
far worse
the
energy
smell
drinks,
is
but
something they need to fix.
Yeah.
It smells really. It's bad.
Yeah, this is
that's
rancid.
just, it's not pleasant on the tongue.
Rancid.
Ooh,
This tastes like normal soda. to
I'd
me,
say
honestly.
4 out of 10 for me.
I'm gonna go 4.5.
How about you?
Yeah, I just got this weird aftertaste, which brought me down to like a 2 out of 10.
So we're gonna try since our comrade over here can't open this.
Yep.
Solar
Can I
Scout.
drink all yours? I can't drink.
We're gonna try
this.
the
This is
mango
nasty.
pineapple. Hopefully it
shot.
smells better.
Do it. Chug, 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 chug. Come on, Gavin, go, Gavin, go, 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 go.
Yeah.
So proud
Let's
of you,
hope this
Gavin.
tastes good.
Making your people proud. Good hearty Irish.
This one smells good. This one actually smells like it was supposed to be. See, I think the smell from the last one could have just been the citrus because I think there was
That one definitely smells better.
What flavor is this again?
mango pineapple.
Oh, this is 0 sugar.
Oh, produces some pretty good burps.
I think they're all
Oh.
0 sugar.
The smell is.
Wait, we haven't cleaned the glasses one final time.
It smells really good. It is good too.
Interesting
Taste
flavor.
is improved. That's like a 6 out of 10.
I really
Yeah,
got
I'm gonna
that.
say that's at least a 7.5 because you have to imagine this is a 0 sugar drink.
I actually,
Okay, well maybe like 6.5 out of 10 is what I'm gonna say.
I actually got like a mango flavor.
Mm-hmm. I
don't
mean,
know
it
if that's
tastes
just
good.
surprising.
I would
wasn't
want to drink that.
I wasn't expecting.
The other one is just citrus doesn't cut it for me. But mango pineapple's pretty good.
I mean, I'll give this like. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. Not like a huge fan of carbonated drinks, which isn't like everything we drink, but 6 out of 10.
Now for what I always do.
Oh yeah, and it comes in tin bottles and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think these are these 10?
A bit sus.
I'm gonna shoot these later.
Maybe aluminum. Let's do it tonight.
So I have a match.
That's how we'll end the video. Is just a quick cut to it just blowing up.
Don't make some. That is horrendous.
Are there any more of these left? Ooh, it smells
Yeah,
very
these are pretty good. Chug, chug, chug.
good. Oh god, no.
Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip. Take a sip.
No, no, we're testing it to see if it's flammable.
Hey, Father Gavin.
Father Gavin.
Father Gavin. Father Gavin. Do you want cherry cola or wild cherry Pepsi?
Let's take some wild turkey.
Wow.
You heard the man.
What did he say?
Wild turkey. Go take it to him.
We'll give him. No, just mix this in too.
Sucks. Oh, your chairs are stuck.
I feel ill.
Yeah, I'm not eating these. These are disgusting. No, this is a 0 out of 10.
Okay. Whatever you don't want.
Yeah, try it.
That's great.
You drink it. Drink it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Just drink it.
Find the middle stuff, man.
No, you're gonna drink it.
Oh yeah, I'll drink it. Hold on.
Just take a sip. We're on a time limit here.
Oh, yeah,